So in this video, I will talk about how to create really good image ads for your Facebook ad campaigns. Image ads in general, they're pretty overlooked. Not a lot of people tend to use them anymore because they're all focused on UGC videos or just video ads in general. While image ads, you can just scale a whole ad account and a whole business with image ads alone. So that's what we'll be talking about. And if you're new here, my name is Vincent and I'm the founder of Chipper. We help e-com brands as well as coaches, consultants, and course creators scale their business to 6 and 7 figures with our identity hooking system while managing a 7-figure ad spend all around the world. So let's just dive straight into it. I'll be showing you certain things and I'll also compare image ads compared to video ads. You know, the main reason why you want to test image ads in the first place is because they're just way faster to create. They're just cheaper to make as well. And you know, we have a tool called Canva. It's a pretty awesome tool where you can create really good image ads for clients of yours or for your own business. So that way you can just use product images or lifestyle images for your image ads instead of asking a UGC creator and paying a UGC creator to create your ads. There are a couple of different type of image ads that we'll cover. Most of the times, for example, if you run a clothing brand, you can just use images of a person, ideally your ideal prospect, or the ideal prospect in your client's mind. So for example, if you want to have gym clothes, most of the times you will show a fit, muscular guy in gym clothes. Use that image. You can just use it alone or with a headline. So let's just jump straight into it and I'll show you some types of image ads. Here we have a couple of image ads that we've used for a client of ours, actually. LikeShot, we've helped them with their ads, image ads, as well as video ads. The reason why we start using image ads for this one, because we saw that image ads were working really well. So for example, with this one, it's exactly the same. Based on your research, based on the market awareness, and based on the sophistication of the market, you're gonna combine that and create new image ads. Most of the times, as you can see here, fix your swing, hit better shots, guaranteed. That type of headline is speaking to people. So in the headline, you basically call out people that are not hitting good shots, they're not having a good swing, and you just call them out. So headline most of the time is either talking about a pain or a future desire that they want to have. Those two come from your research, the reviews that people see, or even from your competitors' reviews. For example, I know with golf, there's a lot of different type of swing trainers. For this one, it's a pretty cool one. It's literally a golf stick that has flexibility inside of it. So it's actually a new mechanism because most of the time it's like I don't know what's the specific name, but like it's a orange type of ball where people try to swing. But this, you can feel the feedback and you can hit it while actually practicing it, building the muscle memory. So what we did is exactly the same what we do with video ads. We use one creative batch where we test multiple different things. So this one was, for example, for Cyber Monday. As you can see, we had, I think, 5 different image ads. They're exactly looking the same. The composition of the images are the same. The only thing that is different is the headline, because we're gonna test the different pains or the different desires that people want to have while golfing or while using a golf product. So this one is fix your swing, hit better shots, guaranteed. The next one is from nice try to nice shot. So that is more of a group type of thing, social proof headline, because most of the times you go golfing with your golf buddies and you know, they say like most of the time they laugh at you like, haha, nice try bro, to a nice shot, which is actually compliment. So again, it's like a future state. It's a bit of psychology, right? You go from dude, nice try to nice shot, dude, like what changed? Because you add social credibility amongst your friends, basically. This one is add 20 yards to every golf shot. Again, social proof, but also specific numbers. Swing like a pro, score like a pro again, credibility. And here finally a trainee aid that actually works, that is more focusing on the market sophistication that people have used different type of things. So we used 5 of these images to just test a lot of different things. Then what we also did was with the baby golf club, exactly the same. The first ever professional baby driver, start them young, start them right. Real clubs for little pros, real golf clubs for little golfers. So as you can see, exactly the same. The only thing that's different is the image. But by testing those different images and different headlines, we can see what type of pain is more appealing to customers. For these ones, the biggest pains and the best results we got was fix your swing, hit better shots guaranteed, from nice try to nice shot, and add 20 yards to every golf shot. By testing these things, you can actually know, okay, this is the type of headline that works. Let's create some iterations from it, or let's create new ads from it in a different style. But you can also use these headlines to create hooks for your videos, for your UGC videos, etc. So that is one look of image ads. For the exact same person or for the exact same company, we made again 5 different ads. Again, here it was make your golf buddies ask what changed. It's again the social proof aspect. Fix your swing, hit better shots guaranteed. That was the thing that was working. Finally, a training aid that actually works, from nice try to nice shot. And the training aid 96% of golfers recommend. Again, it's more of social proof. 96% of golfers recommend, but you also put specific numbers in. So by showing this, you already can see that the testing can go way faster. So you can just use one image, one type of style, and just test a lot and see if it works, and just keep on testing and testing. Now I'll go over a lot of different styles of image ads. So basically there's a couple of them, right? Most of the most famous ones are the us versus them, which is this, normal boxes versus ours, the featured point outs, you have before afters, again featured point out, just like a more bottom of the funnel with just like crush your to-do list, take 40% off. Here again, this one is a good one. Obvi, they're really crushing it with their ads, but this one is a good one. Peace out, pizza cravings. It's a headline that showcases a common problem of like, dude, I want to have cravings. I want to eat some chips. I want to eat some salted nuts or anything, or pizza cravings. But with this headline, you already grab the attention of like, dude, I have these type of cravings. And you can see it's a combination of the pain as well as a feature point out. Burn calories, lose weight, curb your appetite. This one is also a pretty famous one. It is basically, I would say, riding on the wave of some famous publications. You have like meme pages, sports Bible, etc. They use these type of images, and it's pretty familiar for people. So you can just copy it, or quote unquote steal that format for your own product. With this type of leggings, they did it exactly the same. They just use a beautiful woman with the gear basically on, as well as like the leggings, and then they use the format of a publication. These Unreal push-up leggings from Fabletics are going viral. Women across the globe love them. It's also the same type of headline that those pages use a lot, you know? Then here, gut inflammation gone, exactly the same. A common pain that you use, as well as the ingredients inside of it. Here, that's also like a feature point out what they get. This is more like meme style of content. Here again, an us versus them, basically feature point out. Mud water, you know, space goods. They're pretty famous in this as well. Here, this is also a good, more of a bottom of funnel type of image, because you have 100+ units sold with a lot of social proof that you can use. So here you can see that they use a good subheadline, which is social proof, 70 plus 5,000 customers, and then maintain all they focus. Seriously, feature point out, it tastes like hot chocolates, focus, productivity, and it's made of mushrooms. So you have a lot of different types of visuals that you can use. As you can see here, more of a clothing type of thing. Here again, Sports Illustrated, that's literally stealing the format of what they use. And you have all these type of different image ads. Here, this one is a pretty good one. It's most of the times tweet type of ad, or now it's threads, right? And then here you have more of these type of ads, basically with like shoes, how it looks like. As you can see, just a super straightforward product image, a us versus them image again. So yeah, there's like a lot of different type of images that you can use. If you want a more detailed breakdown, I can share a couple of these images so you can use them for yourself. But most of the times, stick to it, test a lot of different type of image ads, because that's really, really important. Basically, you have like a couple of different type of image ads that you can combine with the market sophistication and the market awareness, right? So bottom of the funnel, you will use a lot of customer reviews. Top of the funnel will be more product images, featured point outs with headlines talking about a common problem or a common desire. And then you have type of images, an us versus them, before and after, featured point outs, review images, etc. Be creative and test a lot of those things, because you can actually scale your full ad account with just image ads. So now you got a good overview of how to use image ads, what it looks like, and basically the type of image ads that you can test. And if you want more help scaling up your ad accounts, just book a call with me. Click the link down below. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.